Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about the best cryptocurrency apps for Android and iOS. A cryptocurrency app is a cell phone app that allows you to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. When you first get started investing in cryptocurrency, it can be useful to invest some phone space in an app. Apps usually have easier setup and login features than desktop platforms, which makes them a less intimidating introduction to cryptocurrency. Here are a few separate types of cryptocurrency apps. The first legit app is Gemini, and it's price-free. Gemini is for beginning traders who want to get started with a safe, secure cryptocurrency exchange without the hassle of a complicated system. In a particularly volatile market, it can be comforting to know that you're trading on a regulated exchange. Gemini is one of the most secure and stable cryptocurrency markets in the entire world, and it's regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services. Gemini features a beginner-friendly and easy-to-use system that allows you to buy and sell a limited number of coins. Though you won't find smaller altcoins on Gemini, the platform is still one of the best and safest ways to get started on cryptocurrencies. The next app is Voyager, and it is price-free and best for iPhone. Voyager is for intermediate traders who want to complete more trades and explore the cryptocurrency frontiers beyond Bitcoin and Litecoin. You can get a free $25 Bitcoin credit for signing up. If you want to start getting serious with your cryptocurrency investments, you need a comprehensive exchange app that allows you to view charts and buy more than the largest coins on the market. Voyager is a safe and secure exchange that features a number of unique charting tools, commission-free exchanges, and access to more coins than most beginning exchange apps. A combination app that includes exchange capabilities, a solid and secure wallet, and even a market news feed. Voyager includes a full set of tools that any serious cryptocurrency investor needs, that also includes the simplicity of a more beginner app. The third is Blockfolio, and it is the best app for Android and price-free. Blockfolio is for more serious cryptocurrency investors who need to track and manage their coins in a safe and convenient place. Blockfolio allows you to track your portfolio's value over time, no matter which coins you have in your wallet. Blockfolio links with your wallet and exchange accounts and allows you to see changes in value quickly without unlocking your full exchange profile or risking a hack. Blockfolio supports data on over 800 cryptocurrencies on over 300 exchanges. Blockfolio is by far one of the most widely used trackers in the world of cryptocurrencies, with over 5 million users all around the world. Blockfolio won't be of much use to you if you don't already own at least some cryptocurrency or you know which coins you want to track. You might find yourself checking Blockfolio's tracker multiple times throughout the day. For Coinbase, this app is best for absolute beginners, and it's price-free. Absolute cryptocurrency beginners who want to make the jump and learn more about some of the most popular options or buy a little bit of crypto just for fun. Don't know the difference between a Bitcoin and blockchain? Downloading the Coinbase app is an excellent place to begin your journey. Coinbase is a beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. After you complete the verification, you can use your bank account or a credit card to buy some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Coinbase even has a new education section that you can use to earn free cryptocurrencies just by learning more about the coins you want to buy. Coinbase isn't available everywhere. The app currently operates in 32 countries but has plans to expand. However, if you've never bought or sold cryptocurrency before, Coinbase is a great place to start learning. Depending on your choice, pick the best app for cryptocurrency management. For any other query related to Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, do let us know your thoughts and we will answer your question in the shortest possible time. Stay virtual. And I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.